Hey guys, it's been a long time, been extremely busy, so I haven't been able to update you guys. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for the Aitx video. It skyrocketed the other day and I don't even know why myself. Steve actually reached out to me and said that he wants to do an interview, so we have that going on for you guys. Hopefully it's soon. Although I am going to Maine the middle of this week, so might not be able to do it until the end of this upcoming week or the next week after that. Hopefully I get some more free time. But we're gonna talk about the most important stocks to watch this week and also a potential market correction and why. So let's get right into it because I am still busy and I don't have that much time. I'm really here just to check up on you guys. Hopefully everyone is trading green. If you guys haven't checked this out, we've been on a winning streak. Just give us a try. You know, we do flash sales every once in a while. If you don't want to, it's okay too. But look, check this out. Our recent alerts on Roblox. We're actually in it. I have a $12,000 position in Roblox right now. Got some SPY put hedges. I'm planning to add potentially Tuesday. I do think we get a little more of a pop, and then we're just gonna completely just tank. Might be a buy the dip opportunity, but I know that we most likely are going to correct next week, close to 90% the week after next, if it doesn't happen next week. And I'll explain myself, but just be careful, guys. And like I said, check us out. Roblox, this is the new position, but we entered one here, 42%. I show my trades. We entered at 136. Huge winners, again, 43% and 14%. I also alert futures. So if you guys have not UMC, oh wait, this isn't AMC, it's UMC. UMC, another winner. SPY puts, another winner. AMC, another winner over here. Been on a very, I wouldn't say lucky, but a really, Roblox, this is the first time we took it beginning of last week or last week. Wait, 6-9. So last week. So again, check us out. We have futures notes. It's free. Futures notes is free. We do projections and you guys can take the trades based off of the levels. Nothing here is financial advice, but again, this is free. Futures notes are free. If any of you guys trade futures, you know ES and SPY are very correlated. So use it to trade the markets as an index comparison or whatever you want to do with it. And also the degenerate plays haven't been hitting, but again, it's free. You just got to come here, react to it, and you're going to get the degenerate roll, which are earnings gambles. So be careful. Anyways, let's get right into it again. Sorry about that. Roblox, why is this such an amazing trade and why I think it's going to explode next week? So, you know, our RSI isn't too far extended as of right now. We're coming down, but our RSI is curling up. We also have the MACD here looking like it's ready to curl up. In terms of Elliott wave, I'm new into this. CoreNet Trades is really amazing. So if you guys have the time, go check him out. But I'm starting to learn myself and I'm doing pretty good on it. If we're looking at the Elliott wave, we are on the 4th correction right now. So there's a total of 5 waves. For you guys that don't know and want to learn, come join our Discord. It's free. I will try my best to teach it as much as I know it. But we basically get 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 2 and 4 are the corrective waves, and then 1, 3, and 5 are the moves up, the impulses. So the corrections take the form of ABCs or flats or whatever you want to call them. The fact that this was a flat, ABC flat, and everything's matching because wave 2 and 4 always alternate. So if the first correction, which is wave 2 over here, is a flat, then the 4th one will be a sharp correction. So you can see it clearly that this one was a flat as it takes time to complete, and this one was a sharp correction. It comes right into our demand level. We took it the first time, I believe, this day where it just got bought up. And then our second entry was when it came back down to test demand again over here. So it got into this area. I wish I set an alert because I entered a little late, but we entered over here, and we do think that it should go up to at least this 108 area. Obviously, we're not going to wait for it to go all the way to 108. As you guys know, options, it moves dependent on your expiration date, etc. So, you know, if you get like an 80% or whatever, you really need to just take your profit and go. You know, these projections for equities to hit a price target is pretty fair, but if you're trading options, don't be greedy. Take the profit and run. I love it because we have that sharp correction. I think it's because of they've been getting a lawsuit or something of that sort. So that's why it came down so fast, so quick. We obviously see interest over here. We see interest over here. Some supply and resistance over here. If I were to do a target, I'd probably end up getting out over here around this 96 area. You know, no need to be too greedy. They paid us huge. I do not want to get negative on Roblox for the year. Again, it's a $12,000 position. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I posted it up there, so go check that out. Roblox, love it, watch it, and let's see how it plays out. However, we have one thing. The market looks like it's going to correct soon. So if you guys can see, this is called a rising wedge, aka bearish. So it looks like it's about to complete. In regards to the Elliott wave, you get this subdivides into 5. And I believe the first one would be this one. The first count is when it hits down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, wait, actually, no, I think it will be this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should hit this area right here around the 427. Could potentially go to this 430 area. I would actually look it up with you, but I don't know if I watched porn lately and it just saved into my history, so I'm not trying to take that risk. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, that I believe the Elliott wave count starts over here, but I would have loved to show you guys, but again. Oh, another thing for Roblox, according to my platform, callsorputs.com, the first time it ran, we got a bunch of sweeps. The one last time Chance AI was over 1, like I said, if Chance AI is over 1, it's very high conviction, but these are just ones over here, so I'm not like too highly convinced, but they all do look like opening, size and volume, very, very similar. So I do think that these are opening positions. We shall see how it plays out. I have huge conviction into this. Koronek himself also has high conviction. Kind of like my trading partner. He's absolutely, actually I can't say it because I might get canceled on YouTube. But very nice guy. Check him out if you have the time. But anyways, futures. I think the market will hit this supply zone. There's no supply there. You know, it's a unknown territory as of right now. But you have to be really, really careful for it to enter this area as it completes a bearish wedge. Where would it retrace? Maybe a reset to the 20-day moving average. Not too sure. We do have demand over here. So it's pretty confluent with the 20-day moving average. If it pops up here, we should have this move up here. So maybe back to the 420 level. It's not a huge drop. I do think it might go a little below that. The next level of supply demand is probably over here. So this area is 419 to 416. We have huge catalysts. The reason you have to be extra cautious is we have this, which is the federal interest rates. Next week on 6/11, we have commercial banks, assets and liabilities, selected interest rates. They always do this after hours, so you gotta be really, really careful. I would take some puts just as a hedge. Again, not financial advice, but this looks too picture perfect to not take some hedges. As for puts on the major indexes, we could check that out. Let's see what we get. So IWM, we have puts towards the end of the month. QQQ, we got puts. DIA, nothing. SPY, we got puts. Some huge ones, but the calls. So what we have to be careful with the calls are these are deep in the money calls, and usually those tend to be sell to opens, which could potentially be very, very bad for us. Let's see if there's some ARC puts as well. So be really careful. I mean, these could be hedge positions. You know, people constantly tell me the same thing, which I know, but you never know. The point is you never know, especially if you have an investment portfolio, you never know. It's always good to have hedges on your portfolio. Aitx, let's just check that out. See where we are. Can this be a flag over here? Definitely can. We're at the 20-day moving average as of right now. RSI still has time to run. However, I don't know. This could potentially be I don't know. If I force count, this could be A, B, C, X. Could potentially come down to this area. It is hard to say because this is a penny stock, and for it to move down that much to sub penny is very, very hard. You do have this is hard. This is a hard chart, and again, if you're investing, this is completely a different ball game. So, you know, don't be scared. I would say this area would be a great long opportunity if we ever get there. I started using TradingView last week, and it was the best decision I've ever made. The charts are so clean. But yeah, here might be a great entry. I don't know about entering here. I do have position in it still, but I've added so much that I don't want to add anymore. And this seems to be potentially an imbalance that's open. So I will wait. It's also correlated with a gap fill. So I will wait. You know, it doesn't hurt to wait, or at least know. Maybe wait for a downtrend to be broken, like over here. I would be careful. You never know. And I would rather be safe than sorry on a penny stock investment. Entries do matter. You know, I mean, that depends. I mean, you'll keep constantly adding to it, which is what we're trying to do, but you don't want to keep adding and it just keeps going down because at some point you're going to get liquidated. So I would wait for the interview or wait for the second financials. If you checked out the K that they released already, what do you think about the company? Do you like it, etc.? You know, Steve is a great guy and very, very transparent. So I'm hoping to see more from him. He just got, I believe, a new sales team that is apparently getting at it. And I would love to see what that brings for the next quarter. But sometimes the stock does not represent the company. And I think a lot of people fail to realize that. And other thing, AMC, because this will get me views. People call me FUD and a bunch of names. I mean, I really don't care. But AMC. Initially, I drew this triangle here, but it seems that it might be a more expanded triangle. It still looks like the triangle is intact. And you can see it here. Some people call it a flag. This is not a flag, guys. This is a pennant. If you look it up, they're non-directional. But we do see buying pressure over here. So, and it reacted off of that. If we do break out, we will go above all-time highs, which is 72. So very, very high likely chance we do that if in the case it's able to hold. RSI is still all right, a little towards the higher side. Maybe another reset. Actually, let's see if we can do an Elliott wave count here. Triangles moves in fives, so this would potentially be, actually, let's see if we can do a sub count. See, there's 1, 2, 3. Here you can't really see. I don't know if I'll count this as another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's, yeah, this is potentially finished. So this, and we're trending near the top of the triangle, which is very bullish. The 20 DMA is also sloping upwards. So I do think that we break to the upside here. The levels to watch. Just trying to get like a potential supply zone for you guys. I wouldn't say so. It looks like it. Potentially over here, you see some sort of resistance. So that's the 56 and 60, 51 level. Let me see if I can actually label this. I think I should be able to. Why doesn't it show? Like if whatever. Anyways, look, if you guys 60, 51 to 56, I'll probably take profit around the 56 area. Be really careful. Again, it's a meme stock. Who knows what this thing is gonna do? Trade options to your advantage. Take profit. Have a great day, guys. That's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll try to be a little more active, but leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below what you think, and let's make money together. Thank you. Bye-bye.